What up guys, welcome to the Jeezy Show. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a Google account. And if you want to see more how-to content and some pop culture fun, go ahead and subscribe right here to the Jeezy Show, guys. Spike the likes and comment. Now let me show you how easy it is to make a Google account. So first, go to google.com. You'll get this as a homepage, right? So here's everything that you will have access to with a Google account. See where it says Google Apps right here? If you click that, you'll see all this stuff: Gmail, contacts, Drive, calendar, translate, photos. All of this stuff is included with your Google account. You can use all of this stuff whenever you like and however you're going to need it. So first of all, you want to go to account, which is right here. Click that. And everything, all of Google's working for you, you can see right here. So go to create an account. So here's where you want to put your name, guys. I'm going to just type in test run and then for username, and that's going to be at your Gmail account. So I'll just put test run 729 just to see if it's available. It is available. You can go ahead, and if it's not, it'll tell you right here what is available close to what you're looking for. Your password has to be 8 characters. I'm just going to put test 1234 for this tutorial. So there we go. You have an option to put your phone number in if you like. A recovery email if you already have one. Go ahead and put that in. Month, day, and year of your birth, guys. And this is just pretty much to make sure you are over 18. To access different types of content, we'll just put 2000. Gender, you can say whatever you like. You go to next. Here are the privacy and terms talking about Google and all your stuff. You have a chance to read that. Go ahead. You agree to it. And voila. You are into Google. You have everything here that you can use that Google offers throughout its platform. You go to your personal info. You can change all of this stuff you like. Your data and personalization. You can take all of this stuff and go through it and see the different types of things that you can have access to. Your account storage, your plans, your preferences for the web, reservations on a calendar is really cool, business features, personalization, guys. So there you have it. There is your Google account. All you have to do, you can go to your Google apps right here. Go to any of the Google apps. You go to Gmail and see that you do have set up a Gmail account. This is showing you about the new meetings. You can learn about that as well. And of course, this is your first Gmail from the Gmail team and your Google account. Tells you all about that. So there you go, guys. That's how to set up a Google account to have all of your stuff run with Google and use all of their apps. Hope I was able to make you an account, and thanks for watching the Jeezy Show.